Hi, I'm Dr. Egan from Now Hear This, and today I'm going to tell you a really awesome feature about the Oticon rechargeable behind the ear hearing aids. So the most popular type of hearing aid is called the RIC, and in the RIC, it's a behind the ear hearing aid that looks like this. You can see this part goes behind the ear and this little rubber tip wiggles inside the ear. A really awesome thing that I love about Oticon's RIC hearing aids is that they are one of the only companies where you can swap out the lithium-ion rechargeable battery inside the hearing aid. So for the vast majority of manufacturers, if your hearing aid started out with, say, 20 hours of battery life, but 6 or 7 years into wearing it, it's only lasting 6 hours and then that battery is starting to putter out, you would have to send it out to the manufacturer for a pretty pricey out of warranty repair, because when they're at least 5 or 6 years old, they're no longer in warranty. And that's, a hit to the budget. But what's awesome about Oticon is that you can switch out that battery in clinic. So we don't have to deal with a costly out of warranty repair. The other nice thing, even if your hearing aids are in warranty, is you're not without your hearing aid for a couple weeks. And of course we have loaner hearing aids, but they're never the same as the exact hearing aid that has all your settings tweaked just the way that you like it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how we change out that Oticon rechargeable hearing aid battery. This isn't something you guys would do at home, and of course you don't have access to these batteries, but I want to show you just how fast and easy it is and why that's a great asset for patients who have difficulty with their battery life. There's this tiny little pin tool. You push in, it pops out the old lithium-ion battery. We have brand new lithium-ion batteries. I log into the Oticon programming software, enter the new serial number, swap them out, charge it for a few minutes, and then that battery life is good as new. At least 18 hours of battery on a charge to last you the full day. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have questions, reach out to our clinic, and if you'd like to learn more about audiology or hearing aids, feel free to like or subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day.